Well, welcome to my studio tour. This is Hilton Village we're in Newport News, Virginia, and this is where my studio is. This is a historic village in the Hampton Roads part of Virginia, and these storefronts and shops and my studio space and the neighborhood attached to all this, it's about 102 years old, kind of based on an English village concept. So it's nice. I can walk to the studio and paint and self-isolate, social distance, and so on and so forth. So let's get on with the tour. I'll take you upstairs and we can take a look at this is the hall heading down to our studio, and we use this for displaying work, you know, just basically to check it out and see what it looks like on the wall, and this work's all available for sale. And we you know, rotate this out based on availability and so on. But so this is kind of a gallery space. There's more space up here as well, but right now this is what we're using. This is our studio over here, and let's go in and take a look. So I share this space with my wife, who's also an artist, Ann Murphy. She gets a good portion of this space, the bulk of it, and a lot of the space is taken up for storage and shipping cartons and canvas and paints and frames and so on. But this is where I do my studio painting. So we've got a lot of natural light coming in here from, you know, we've got these solar lights coming in the ceiling that just kick off a whole lot of natural light. And I rarely put the lights on, turn the lights on when I come into the studio. Typically I have plenty of light coming in, and then we've got this circa 1980s glass block wall in the back that also lets in a tremendous amount of light. So there seems to be just plenty of light, natural light to paint. So as you can see, we have a surplus of paintings. You know, this whole COVID-19 situation has obviously taken live art shows out of the equation, and so we are selling virtually online and at shows such as this for the Art League. So at least we have that opportunity with today's technology. And we have a number of works. I've just kind of propped them up around the studio. This is my wall of inspiration over here. Some paintings by John Sargent and Soroya, Edgar Payne, to name a few. But so it's always nice to have some reference for inspiration, ideas, technique, so on. But this is my space. I don't take up a lot of space when I paint. I'm used to painting outdoors on a French easel, so this little carbon footprint of mine is pretty minimal. And you know, I use a couple of different easels for smaller pieces. This is a 12 by 24 piece I just finished yesterday of Rockport Harbor. That's motif number 1 in the background, if anyone's familiar with that. But this easel will accommodate, you know, 16 by 20s, 12 by 24, and so on. And then I've got a larger studio easel over here that adjusts and is able to lower and raise, you know, the canvas at will. So this is for my larger pieces. It's a 24 by 24 piece on the easel right now. Again, that's I can paint up to, you know, 36 by 48 and beyond with this easel. another fairly recent piece. They're all fairly recent pieces, let's face it. They're all done within the last several months, but this is a sailboat out on the east end of Long Island in Montauk. And then other paintings that we've done recently, you know, from Acadia, a piece here, Laguna. We're back to Paris here, a couple more Paris scenes down here as well. A local plein air piece from the James River, which we're very close to here. And then another piece from Rockport. And another small piece here from the local lake. Another Lake Maury piece here, which is one of our local natural trail areas. And here we go, we're down to Venice, Venice, Italy, California. Little Florida piece over here. So, you know, while we're limited to art festivals, we're not limited to studio time, fortunately, and we have plenty of that. So that's my studio tour. Hope you enjoyed it. I and Anne and all the other artists out there that I know are all anxious and excited to eventually get back to doing live shows and seeing all of you out there. So in the meantime, we're doing what we can and continuing to promote our art and get it out there for you all to see. So, you know, stay in touch. You can visit my website, bmurphy.net. You can follow me on Instagram, Brian Murphy Artist. And, you know, also look me up on Facebook. And Bella and I here are going to take care of business for the day. And we enjoyed talking to everyone. So take care, support the arts, and stay healthy. Bye-bye.